Hello, my name is Luke Berman, and I'm in charge of coordinating the work of the TInnGO French Hub that is managed by LGI Sustainable Innovation. Together with several shared mobility operators, we have worked on building gender and diversity action plans with the aim to improve the inclusivity of shared mobility solutions available today in the city of Paris. We organized collaborative workshops with operators and helped them assess the inclusivity of their services, reflecting on some solutions and plans for actions. The long-term objective of our gender and diversity action plan is to increase the diversity of shared mobility users by crafting inclusive device designs, tailored communication campaigns, by building safe infrastructure, offering in-app contact, and training for service staff to gender and diversity inclusion. The next steps for the French Hub are to work with operators on a one-to-one basis in order to follow the implementation of the action plan and support them in their initiatives. Work with local authorities to intervene in the development of public spaces for better accessibility, particularly at night. Work with local associations that are already active on issues like harassment and equality in transportation to support operators in adopting good practices. If you would like to join us on this journey or you want to reach out to share your experiences, don't hesitate to contact us through the TInnGO platform. Thank you.